Good evening viewers, this is Ali from Price Fashions and today I'll be going to show you some exclusive prints on zari border tussar and some exclusive cut work. So before I start, I will request my viewers to please follow our page and subscribe the channel to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. So let's display. Line number 1, and as you can see it's a combination of peach and off-white, the base color. So with the multicolor floral kalamkari print. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari and all over same print. It's a kalamkari print with the combination of peach, yellow, green, rani pink with the black outline. So this is the palla and this is all over. It's all over PP. So this is a blouse comes with the sari. This is the side number 2 and it's a combination of red and beige with the multicolor floral. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari and this is all over same. So these are all pure tussar silk and silk mark certified. We deal in only on pure tussar silk. So this is the palla and all over, and this is the BP comes with the sari. So this is a combination of rani pink and the base color it's off white with the multicolor floral. So just have a look. So this is the palla and all over same. It's a nice color combination. I'll show you the detailing of this painting. So it's all shades of light deep shades of rani pink. Green is also there. So this is all over same palla and BP. This is again a kalamkari print. So this is the palla of the sari and it's all over same print. I'll show you the detailing of this. Just have a look. So this is all over and BP is there. So this is the blouse comes with the sari. This is a combination of rani pink and orange and this is the arrangement block print. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the palla of the sari and this is the design which comes to the chest part, and on pleats this is the design. This is how the design looks on the pleats, and this is the body palla and BP is a multicolored shaded. To the another one, so this is a kalamkari print on the palla and pleats. It's a partly pallu design. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is the palla design. It's a kalamkari print and this is the design which this will come to the pleats. So this design will come to the pleats. Body will remain plain, palla and BP. So this is the blouse comes with the sari. It's a pichwai print with the animal motifs all over. So just have a look. So this is the palla of the sari and this is all over same. It's a print, the animal and all over. So this is all over look of the sari, palla and BP. So this is again a kalamkari print and this time it's on pallu and all over body it's a floral paint. The base color it's a red on tussar. So this is the palla of the sari and this is the all over same floral paint, and BP is also printed. So this is the kalamkari BP comes with the sari. Now let's move to the cut work one. So this is the combination of light deep shades of peach. The base color is a light peach and the palla border it's a deep and the skirt part it's all over highlighted with the mica, and the palla it's full cut work. So this is the design. The very nice color combination, light deep shades of peach and just see the floral design. So this is the palla and BP is there. So this is the blouse piece comes with the sari. This is the kalamkari print and it's a combination of wine maroon, the base color, and the palla border, and BP is remains same. It's a sea green. It's a very nice color combination. Just have a look. So this is the palla and this is all over, and I'll show you the detailing of this design. So that peacock feather design is highlighted with the mica work. It's all over same. this is the palla, and PP is there. So this is the blouse, comes with the sari. So PP comes with the sari. So this is a combination of Rani pink, and the base color it's off white with the maple leaf design which comes with the skirt, and all over body it's highlighted with the mica work. So just have a look. This is a very pretty color combination. So this is the palla, and all over I'll show you the detailing of this. It's a maple leaf design. It's all painted, and all over it's highlighted with the mica work. Just see the palla and BP. So this is the blouse, comes with the sari, and it's a linen with a digital print skirt part design. As you can see, it's all multicolor floral skirt part design, and it's arrangement cut work on the pallu, and all over highlighted with the mica work, and pom-pom lace is also there. So how it will look, I'll just show. So this is a palla of the sari. It's a running palla, no separate, and this is the design. I'll show you the detailing of this. It's a print, it's a digital print, and just see the cut work which comes through the pallu. So this is the cut work comes through the pallu, and all over body highlighted with the multicolored thread. It's a mica work. So this is the all over look of the sari. It's a very nice color combination, and blouse is also full printed with mica work is there for sleeves. So this is the BP, comes with the sari. Thank you so much for watching and joining, and it's a request to my viewers to please follow our page to get updates of our new collections, offers and discount. For bulk queries and wholesale contact, our number is flashing on the screen. It's 829-689-7264. So thank you so much, and keep share the video.